What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Fit Man Cook Kitchen. Today's video is a lot of fun because we are making a soul food inspired meal prep. Now, a lot of y'all outside of the US may not get that reference, but those of us here in the US, you should, because that reference is a part of music television history. Comment below if you get the reference, all right? Now back to the recipe video. Growing up, one of my favorite foods, and still today, is shrimp and grits or fried fish and grits. It's traditionally served with a blacken or Cajun shrimp or a fried catfish, served with savory and buttery grits that are made even creamier with a whole bunch of cheese. It is one of those comfort foods that's like love at first bite. It's just that darn good. The only downside to this dish, though, is while it's very tasty, it's loaded with a bunch of simple carbs and also saturated fats. So today we are taking up the challenge to transform this dish by giving it a calorie makeover. We're gonna aim to reduce the calories by about 50% as well as the carbohydrates. We're gonna swap out the grits and replace it with cauliflower, and we're gonna use a Greek yogurt cream cheese as the base for the grits, so it's still just very rich and creamy, but without all the calories. We're gonna aim to do all this without compromising the flavor. All right, guys, let's get to it. Spray broccolini with a little olive oil, then add a little sea salt and pepper. Roast in the oven for 10 minutes at 375. Then season shrimp with smoked paprika, cumin, sage, oregano, cayenne, and a pinch of pepper. Rub in the seasonings, then spray a skillet with a little olive oil. Toss in the shrimp and cook through, about 6 to 8 minutes. Add cauliflower to a food processor and pulse blend to create grits. Empty it on cheesecloth or a heavy-duty paper towel to squeeze out all the excess moisture. This helps the grits to be even creamier. Add olive oil to a skillet along with garlic and red onion. Caramelize on low heat for about 3 minutes. Pour in chicken broth and Greek yogurt cream cheese or reduced fat cream cheese. Chop it up, stir, and bring it to a simmer. Once it's smooth, stir in a drop of arrowroot starch. Add in the cauliflower grits and stir. Grate in some Monterey Jack cheese, then mix and meld everything together. Garnish with cracked pepper and chives. Add the grits to your meal container, then the blackened shrimp, and roasted broccolini. Boom! All right, that's it for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that you all enjoyed this soul food inspired meal prep. It should put a smile on your face just like the original dish. Comment below the food that you would most enjoy with some creamy cauliflower grits so that we can all use your ideas to keep our diets interesting. If you like meal prep videos like this, I invite you to smash that like button below and remember to hit that subscribe button before you log off. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Until next time, keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Ooh! Oh, wait. Peace, love, and soul! Bye, guys.
I wish you love, peace, and soul.